Hello and welcome to Online Q's, your YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can log into PoF account. Now this can be logged in using the PoF app on your mobile phone or on the web browser if you do not have the PoF app on your mobile phone. So once this appears, click on login at the bottom, type in your username and your password and click on login. And you will be logged in once you have the login details correct. Now if you want to sign out of your PoF apps to kind of protect your privacy even on your mobile phone, you can click on that settings button and then go into here and then click on logout and click on logout again, and then you are logged out, so you can log in and log out for using your PoF account on your mobile phone. And logging out is good if you can remember your password, and it's a better security measure rather than leaving it logged in. People can use it. So next I'm going to show you how you can log into PoF from your desktop or laptop, be it Windows or Mac. So on your laptop or PC, go and open a web browser. It can be any web browser, be it Opera Mini, Firefox, or Chrome that I'm using here. So just go to pof.com. Once you've done that, the PoF page will load. Sorry that my connection is a bit slow, sometimes lag. So the PoF website will load. This is great for online dating. So first thing is you have to enter your username or email like I have done here, and then enter my password. Once I'm pretty sure it's correct, I can click on check mail. And if I have the correct login details, I would get logged in like this. Now PoF is somewhat of a free online dating site, but most of its features is locked. To be able to get that feature, you have to be a paying customer, a premium customer that is. So once you're logged in, you can go into your inbox, meet me, search or who's online, search for users that matches your profile and all that. You can also check out your profile and edit your profile. So once you're done with this website, you can easily log out of it by clicking here. This is the video where you can log into PoF on your mobile phone or the web browser on your desktop or laptop. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.